So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 190, reverse bit. This is very important beginner friendly bit problem that help us to understand binary operation and bit shifting. So let's get started. We are given a 32-bit assigned integer. Your task is to reverse all the bits of the number and return the reverse binary value. Suppose you have 000, it's the example is given. After reversing all the bit, it become 1000 like this. So basically first bit become last, first bit become the last, and the second one become the second last, so on. The idea is simple. We exact bit one by one from the given number and build the reverse number from left to right. Let's move on the code and see what the code is saying. Int 32. So here is the running code, you can see. Now let us understand the code step by step. First we create result is equals to 0. This store the reverse number. Now we run a loop 32 times because integer can contain 32 bits. Inside the loop, first result greater equals to 1. This shift all the bits in result to left, make space for the next bit. Then n and 1 exact the last bit of n. Now result slash is equals to ns. Add the exact bit into the result. Finally remove the last bit from the n. After 32 times the loop run, all bits are reversed.